Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your level, clan permissions, and enough in-game currency. Once done, open the Awakening menu and select the eye path you plan to farm. Make sure to secure the required scrolls or tokens before initiating. Without them, the process will fail. You should also set a clear time to attempt it so cooldowns don't interfere. Finally, position your avatar in a safe area for the sequence that follows so interruptions won't waste materials. Now you execute the middle sequence. Engage the NPC interactions, then clear the required enemies in the precise order the quest needs. You must time your actions, use abilities when safe, and reset auto-attacks between phases, because the script checks stage completion strictly. Once you finish enemy waves, immediately use the activation item. Delays can reset progress. If RNG is involved, boost your drop rates with temporary bonuses, or bring a partner to finish by triggering the final ritual or cutscene that grants the Sharingan. This locks the change to your character. You should immediately check your inventory and stat window to confirm the eye's effects applied, and make sure any new jutsu slots are visible. If visuals fail or the ability isn't active, log out and back in or switch servers to refresh client state. As a last resort, clear cache and repeat the exact sequence with the same items. Consistency fixes most stuck attempts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.